3 years ago, over 700 backers brought to life the Chameleon, the most versatile backpack on the planet that transforms into an ultralight chair without ever needing to empty any of the pack's contents. Because of great feedback from our customers, we redesigned the new breed of Chameleon transforming bags, up to 50% lighter with easier access, while still giving you a front row seat to the world's best views. You no longer need to carry a cooler, a chair, and a pile of other gear. Now you can have all three in one. The alpha of this new breed of bags is the Chameleon Lite. While still boasting a robust 36-liter storage capacity, we reduced the weight to approximately 3.5 pounds including the chair frame, which still supports up to 300 pounds. You can upgrade the Chameleon Lite with attachable cooler bags, camera bags, or stuff sacks. The two smaller bag options offer similar versatility. The Frost is the world's first and lightest backpack, cooler, and chair combined into less than 3 pounds. It integrates two completely insulated cooler compartments with our Frosty insulation and lining so you can keep your favorite food and beverages cool. The two large insulated pockets will each hold up to 6 12-ounce cans or 3 16-ounce cans. The massive interior back pocket is ideal for blankets, jackets, towels, or whatever else you can squeeze in. The Micra is the twin sister to the Frost, only without cooler insulation, making it even lighter, weighing in at 2.75 pounds, including the chair frame. The expandable rolled top increases its carrying capacity up to 28 liters. All three bags have your back, transforming in seconds into a chair without emptying any contents, anytime, anywhere. How? Let's dissect this like a lizard. Simply fillet the Chameleon all the way open. Notice that all the guts or contents remained intact. No emptying or rearranging is necessary. Set up the chair frame, inserting the poles into the anchor points on the back, then sit back and relax. All of your gear remains intact and easily accessible at your fingertips and on the back of your chair. Our Penta-zip technology allows for easy access through the top, middle, and even the bottom of the pack. The can lid itself is a large top pocket, perfect for tech pouches, toiletry bags, or other quick access items. The bottom lid is ideal for shoes or keeping your dirty laundry separate. With our brand new easy in, easy out pockets, no more digging around for your gear. They hang on either side of the chair when you kick back and relax, with the zippers placed perfectly by your lap so everything you need is right at your fingertips. Customize your Chameleon Lite by snapping on a cooler bag, camera bag, or both. One cooler bag will hold an entire 12-pack of 12-ounce cans, 6 16-ounce cans, or even 2 wine bottles. We even offer Trailform ice packs designed to fit perfectly. Adventure photographers love the minimal footprint and design of the camera bag, with thick soft felt lining, customizable dividers, top and middle entry points, and a removable carry strap. We use a protective 600D polyester that is light and minimal but durable to protect your precious gear. Both accessory bags can slide in or attach perfectly to the Chameleon Lite for a convenient and comfortable carry. For avid travelers and longer excursions, add extra stuff sacks. When filled, these maximize the interior capacity of the Chameleon Lite, holding up to 16 liters of storage each, easily sliding in and out or attaching with 4 heavy-duty snaps. We've seen these pre-packed for all kinds of stuff, from sleeping bags to hammocks, tarps and underquilts to dirty laundry sacks, even a diaper bag. For the water you brought with you, all of our bags have 2 massive side pockets that will hold up to a 40-ounce water bottle. The Chameleon Lite also features a universal toggle to connect your hydration reservoir with accompanying right and left exit holes. The Chameleon Lite's additional hip belt and rain cover make for a more comfortable carry, especially with a fully loaded pack. Whether you need to carry your gear or carry your butt, we've got you covered. These bags are designed for everyone, for everywhere. Leisure lovers, chillers, and relaxers will take it to the beach, picnics, festivals, kids sporting events, or backyard barbecues. For avid adventurers, photographers, birders, travelers, hikers, and fishermen too, finally your gear does more so you can carry less. Anytime, anywhere. Adaptability is paramount for survival. It is a scientific fact. You need gear that does more. Gear as adaptable as you are. With your support, you'll bring to life this new breed of bags. You'll get more from your gear and you'll get more out of life and leisure. At Trailform, we want to inspire you to break away from the mundane, the meetings, the monotony, and forge new trails. We want to bring you the gear that gives you a front row seat to the places and people and moments that matter most. Don't miss it, make it.